visual.
Yep, that just completes everything, Holly.
That's it.
Do you think you can win this show?
I do think I can be the next American Idol.
All right, Holly, and what's the song?
You Ain't Woman Enough to Take My Man by Loretta Lynn.
All right, we're all yours, Holly.
You come to tell me something you say out to know. He don't love me anymore and I'll have to let him go. Say you're gonna take him, oh, but I don't think you can, 'cause you ain't woman enough to take my man.
Do you understand how this... You can keep them on.
Okay.
How
Yeah.
slightly bizarre this is, that you're dressed as a guitar, but also look a little bit like an insect singing country.
I think it's cute.
I think it's cute. It just wasn't quite what we were looking for, I don't think, Holly, when we set out this year. But you're fun. You've got great personality.
And I can always lose the guitar outfit.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
Right.
Randy, what do you think?
You're funny, man. You're hilarious.
You are.
Karen, what do you think?
You know, Holly, normally if someone dressed up in a guitar like that, I just would write them off. But she's a ballsy girl to come in like that in that get-up. And you know, you got a good voice. You do. You're like a country girl.
What do you think, Mary?
I don't get it.
Not many people do.
Well, we're going to vote.
Okay.
Randy?
Since I love the guitar, I'm going to say yes.
Cara?
The whole thing's crazy, but I did hear some singing talent in there. I feel like I gotta give you another shot. Yes.
Mary?
I would say no.
Come on, Simon. You're gorgeous.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
He is.
Do you honestly
You're gonna get a
think
yes
that I'm
first.
the sort of person that would respond to that kind of flattery?
We've got our first person from day 2 heading to Hollywood. But unlike Holly and her guitar, right now the